Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee in a high-altitude trim and powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. And you do have power-adjustable ride height, so you can either have it high off the ground for some extra ground clearance or slam to the ground for a better driving feel. But let's have a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you have your nice power liftgate that goes up and out of the way, revealing your very spacious cargo area, which can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You also have a 12-volt right there, and underneath here you have some more storage, including your full-size spare and some bins around it for other tools and equipment. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. Now looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. And down here you have two USBs, a 115-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats, so your back passengers can stay cozy too. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. And I believe also your steering wheel and mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 32,056 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology. And on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, all of your vehicle service info, driver assistance features, fuel economy, trip A and B information, your radio or audio, any messages, and then your screen setup in general. You also have your hands-free phone and radio controls, your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as having heated and air-conditioned front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Moving on, you have your apps screen, where you can find all your controls, apps, whatever you need to access from there, and your general seat controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, and your Bluetooth phone controls, but we don't have one connected, so that's fine. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And moving down from that, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here with your hazards, again dual zone front climate, and then you have a bunch of buttons here for your active park assist, your park assist sensor shut off, your traction control shut off, your eco mode or eco shut off, and your sport mode on, and traction control shut off. Then you have this compartment here, which opens to reveal two USBs, auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet. I believe these three are for hooking up audio. And then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift your gears. You have two cup holders, and then you have all of your kind of four-wheel drive controls here. You have four-wheel drive low, hill descent assist. You have your buttons to raise and lower your suspension, so you can raise yourself up or lower yourself down. And then you have all of your four-wheel drive terrain options here. Right. Then moving on from that, you have your two-tiered center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious and does also have another 12-volt inside deep in there. Then, last but not least, looking up, you do have a panoramic moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.